If you are a casual IPTV user, then you might be looking for the best IPTV player to use for your playlists. In this video, I'll show you how to get the TVMate player to your Firestick, which is one of the best free IPTV players. It doesn't buffer, doesn't have any ads, accepts both M3U as well as XM codes, and is working pretty stable. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the TVMate application to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store, and now we are going to do that. So just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, we need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. Let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon. After that, we need to scroll down until we find My Fire TV. Click on that button, and from here, we'll have to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now on your remote, you'll have to click on the middle button for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And now as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally go to the list of apps on your device, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to United States right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go to the list of apps on your device, open it, scroll down, go to Downloader, wait until the app loads for you. Here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in the search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be tvmate.com. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's tvmate.com. So here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, And while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has opened, just scroll down a bit and click on that download APK button right here. So we click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start for you. Usually it doesn't take long, but it all depends on your connection speed. Now let's click on install and wait until TVMate IPTV player gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick does not have too much of free space. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, open it, and there at the bottom you'll find TVMate, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way TVMate is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then let's open TVMate. And from here you just need to click on add a playlist button and then either add the M3U link or Airstream code. It depends on your IPTV provider, and there are thousands of different live TV providers in the world, so it's totally up to you which one to choose. So if your provider gave you an M3U link, you would click on that option, just enter the link here, click on next button, and then the playlist is going to appear in the app. Alternatively, you can of course use the Airstream codes. For that, you would click on this button and then add a link, username and a password, which were given to you by your live TV provider. Then, just like previously, you click on next and the playlist is going to appear in the app. So that's the easy way to get TVMate IPTV player to your Fire Stick or Android TV. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.